Good morning everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Prabhata Loves Movies. We were talking about the latest film Mimi which is streaming on Netflix. I have a thing to share with you. The thing is, my YouTube channel is going to complete 1 year on August 1st. Thank you everyone for all the support and the love that you have given to the videos, particularly the ones related to Hussein Zaidi books and movies, Alia Bhatt and Samantha profiles, etc. It is something which has kept me going the most pandemic. This will be my 36th video in 52 weeks. Coming back to Mimi, I honestly expected quite a lot given that it talks about surrogacy and also has someone like Pankaj Tripathi in the cast. In a way, it tries to address one side of surrogacy, but in an attempt to be both entertaining and also serious, it ends up nowhere. There's a song in the film which says that life is a mystery and you don't know where it will lead you. It is something that very easily applies to the script of this one. Set in a small town of Rajasthan, the story is about a young girl who has aspirations of becoming a Bollywood star. The girl in question is Mimi, played by Kriti Sanon. In order to achieve her dreams, she needs lots of money. Help comes in the form of an American couple who are looking for a surrogate mother. With the help of Banu Pratap, played by Pankaj Tripathi, they come across Mimi in a dance show. They are very impressed with her dance and decide that she will be the surrogate mother. The reason being she is young, fit, and also a dancer, and they believe that she will be able to deliver a healthy boy. It is up to Banu to convince Mimi to be a surrogate mother, which he does successfully. A deal of 20 lakh is signed between Mimi and the American couple. After this comes a tricky part as Mimi has to hide this secret from her parents, played by Manoj Pahwa and Supriya Pathak. Her best friend Shama, along with driver Bhanu, managed to save the situation somehow. The most of the first half is an assemblage of supposedly comic punches which show three of them trying to manage the situation. The twist comes in when the American couple decide that they do not want the baby as the doctor says that the child may be born with Down syndrome, and they leave Mimi stranded in between. She has to face both the society and also the family, and it goes without saying that her dreams of being a Bollywood star are completely crushed. The only redeeming factor for Mimi is the performance of Kriti Sanon and some of her scenes with a child. The child is named as Raj. It is evident that Kriti Sanon has put in a lot of effort while playing this role, and the results are quite good. It's a pity that Kriti is let down by a lousy script. Kriti is particularly good in the scenes where she has to show the pain of delivering a baby. These scenes have been done quite realistically. Kriti's scenes with the child Raj are also quite moving, and as a result, you don't want the son and the mother to be separated from each other. The film has many plot holes, but the biggest plot hole is the one regarding the American couple. Their behavior is very inconsistent and doesn't make any sense. An example of this is when they decide to come back to Rajasthan after seeing a video of Raj dancing with Mimi on Facebook. They are hell bent on having the baby back and have no regard for the struggles that Mimi had to go through while delivering the baby and also bringing him up. It is as if Mimi's feelings don't matter at all. They display their authority just because Raj's features are similar to them. An attempt has been made towards the end to make both the characters look good, but it is an attempt which falls flat on its back. The character of Pankaj Tripathi has also been loosely written. The scenes where he is trying to act like a Muslim are supposed to amuse you, but they end up irritating you. There are many unanswered questions in the script, and one of the questions is why Bhanu stays in Mimi's house months on end and never goes to visit his wife and also mother in Delhi. There is a slight mention of him that he visited both of them once, but there is nothing substantial that adds up. Also, the American couple threatening Mimi with a legal suit when you don't know whether they have paid the full money or not. Mimi is a classic case of how you need more than just good actors in order to make a good film. If you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel Prabhata Loves Movies. Signing off until we meet next time, Rigoberta Prabhata.